Hey, my name is Joby, and I'm replacing the bumper on my Ford F350. I've got a move bumper, Precision. It's the smaller one, which was worked out good for me, and it's a weld-together kit. It was the best option for me. So here we go. So this is how the kit comes in a box. All the pieces formed and cut, ready to go. On this particular pickup, you pull the two bolts out of here on each side mounts. Bumper comes off. Pull the bolts out of the bottom of here. Tow hooks come off. That's the really cheesy factory bumper mount, which will bend and is terrible. Some of the parts that I may or may not reuse, probably not this, because it goes on under here for some sort of reason. Not real sure. I think it's to help that plastic thing not get folded out of the way, which it does anyway. This is a side support for the bumper, which I might incorporate into the new one because, well, more support's better. Using the factory hardware. I think we're gonna have to reuse this, so we'll have to cut this apart. So we've, this tow hook, the factory one, I've cut the hook off of it and the bumper mount to reuse it as it's basically the nut for these three bolts that go in to hold this on. Basically you could get new hardware and you wouldn't have to do that if you were so inclined to save the factory tow hook, but you won't be putting it on with this bumper, so that's why I did that. It's easier. So here we're, again, reusing the factory hardware on the side. Another tow hook, modified slightly. It's much better now. So right now we're just trying to get it centered and find a spot to where it's going to look the best and fit the best, and then we'll tack it.
Got it.
Let's weld.
Hi. So what we're doing here is spray painting because I'm not sure if I like it all how it is right now. I might add a grill guard, cut some light holes out. I just didn't want to pay Move to do that.